Namaste children, welcome to Crystal Maths. Today we are going to see in class 10 how to find the area of the shaded region. How to find the area of this design. In question it's given as radius of this circle is nothing but 32 centimeters. Using this we need to find the area of the design. Right. How to find that one? Listen. It's the center of the circle, right? If I join line like this, that is, if I join along with that center, if I join, I am getting three sectors over there, right? What is the angle of this, central angle of this? It is nothing but 120 degrees. To find the area of the design, we can find area of the circle. That is, area of design will be equal to area of the circle minus area of three triangles with central angle 120 degrees. Right. How to find the triangle area here? In previous video you saw that one. If the angle is 120 degrees in this way, it is 120 degrees means if we are dividing this one, we are getting 60 each. And this will be nothing but 30 degrees. If we take this triangle and flip and join over here, we will get equilateral triangle I proved in last video. If it is equilateral triangle, we know how to find the area. That is nothing but root 3 by 4 into a square. That is nothing but a is the radius over here. Using that concept, we can find the area here. Area of the circle is pi r square minus area of three triangles. That is 3 into root 3 by 4 into a square. A is here 32 the whole square. So, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 32 minus 3 root 3 into 32 by 4. After simplification, we are getting the answer as by 7 minus 768 root 3. Measurement is centimeter. We can put the whole bracket and mention as centimeter square. Okay, let us see the next problem. In this question, we are going to find the area of this shaded region. It is nothing but the racing track over here. The information given in the question is the length of this inner length is 106 centimeters. That is the length from here to here is 106. And the distance between the two track equal to 60 meters. As well, the distance between the parallel lines is 10 meters. This is the information given in question. Using that, we need to find the area of this track. If we closely observe this diagram, we can divide this into three parts. That is, one will be rectangular portion. One per rectangle, here one rectangle. So, two rectangles. As well, here if you are seeing two semicircular rings we are getting. That is, it's like this, it's coming. Rectangular area, first one. And here one rectangular area. And in this place we are getting one semicircular ring. Semicircle we are getting like this. So, if we join these two semicircles, we are getting the circular ring in this way. Getting a circular ring. So, if we find the area of two rectangles as well as the area of the circular ring, we will get the answer. Right. What is then? That is area of two rectangles plus area of circular ring. Area of this two rectangles, that is nothing but 106 into 10 is the length of one rectangle. If we multiply by 2, we are getting the double. Then area of the circular ring. Area of the circular ring is nothing but pi capital R square, that is pi R square minus small r square, we can say, that is radius of the outer ring minus radius of the inner ring. Radius of the outer ring, inner diameter is 60, means if you are adding with that is we are getting 80 for the outer diameter. In that case, radius of the outer ring is nothing but 40 and radius of the inner ring 60 of 30. So 30 square. After simplification, we are getting this answer as plus 22 by 7. We can use the formula easily. Then we can solve in simple way. So the answer is 2120 plus 2200, which is 4320 meter square. In this problem, how to find the area of this shaded region? Here, the information given from the question is a semicircle is placed on the hypotenuse of the right triangle. The distance AC is equal to 14 centimeters. It's given. It's a right triangle in the sense it's making 90 degree over there. We can get the area of the shaded region in this way. It is nothing but area of the semicircle minus area of the segment. Which segment? Segment this one. If we cut this one, we are getting the answer over there. Okay. Now, area of the semicircle. We know the distance AC only given. We don't know the BC over there. To find the BC, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. BC will be equal to square root of AC square plus AB square, which is equal to 14 square plus 14 square, which is 14 root 2. BC is the diameter over there. So radius will be equal to 7 root 2. So area of the semicircle will be equal to pi into 7 root 2 the whole square by 2. Semicircle. So dividing this minus area of the segment. Area of the segment which is making 90 degrees over there. So area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant means pi r square by 4. Here the radius we need to take as 14. 14 square by 4 quadrant minus area of the triangle, right triangle. So half into 14 into 14. So when we are writing the simplification, we are getting 22 by 7 into 49 into 2 by 2 minus 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 by 4 minus 98. If we do the simplification, so we are getting that answer as 154 minus 154 plus 98. So the final answer equal to 98 centimeter square. Clear? To find the area of this design, we can understand the question like this. See the diagram given in this way. Find the area of the shaded region. That is, if we remove, that is, if we are opening, it's two segments they joined over there. If we are joining these two segments in such a way, we will get the answer in this. So, if we are getting the area of two segments in the sense, if we are joining, just joining one line in middle, we will get two segments over there. One segment we will get like this, another one segment opposite like that. So, area of this design is nothing but area of two segments. Segments making angle 90 degree at the center. 90 degree. So, what is the area of this? Which is equal to 2 into area of the quadrant of the circle minus area of the triangle. We can draw a small thing for our understanding. It's like this. So, this is the quadrant of the circle. Area of the quadrant is nothing but pi r square by 4. Two segments, so I multiplied by 2. Radius here is nothing but 8. So, pi into 8 into 8 by 4 minus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is nothing but half into 8 into 8. That is equal to 2 bracket 22 by 7 into 16 minus 32. Once we simplify, we are getting the answer as 256 by 7 centimeter square. Thank you.